Afternoon class. Today we discuss magnetic field and magnetic lines of force. First we discuss about the magnetic field. What do you understand by magnetic field? The space around the magnet. The space around the magnet where its influence can be detected is called magnetic field. In another word, we can see that the force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. It is a non-contact force. That is, it acts from distance. It acts from distance. The magnetic field is filled with the magnetic lines of force. What are magnetic lines of force? What are magnetic lines of force? For a very simple answer, we can see that the path along which iron filings will readjust in a magnetic field will be the magnetic lines of force. We will find that these magnetic lines of force are highly concentrated near poles. They are highly concentrated near poles. Furthermore, they are closed continuous curve. They are closed continuous curves. However, we can't tell in which direction these lines of force move. It means we can't tell whether they are going from magnetic north pole to magnetic south pole or from magnetic south pole to magnetic north pole. For finding their direction, we will perform some experiment. Now first we discuss the definition of magnetic line of force. It is a closed continuous curve. It is a closed continuous curve in a magnetic field along with the north pole will move it free to do so, and its direction is given by the direction in which free north pole will point. Now we discuss the property of magnetic lines of force. What is the properties of magnetic lines of force? They are closed continuous curve. They travel from north to south outside the magnet and from south to north inside the magnet. North to south outside the magnet, but from south to north inside the magnet. They contract laterally. It is they bend along the length of magnet. They mutually repel each other. They mutually repel to each other. They never intersect with each other. They never intersect with each other. Now we discuss the magnetic field around a bar magnet. First we take a drawing board and fix over it and white sheet of paper. In the middle of paper, draw a straight line along the length of paper. Place the bar magnet along the line and draw its boundary. Place the border in north and south direction with the help of plotting compass. Plot magnetic lines of force, the pattern of magnetic lines of force. So we will obtain, as shown in figure, this type of line. Thank you class.